Hey, here's my Squat and Go. I've had this thing for like 3 or 4 years. I use it every single day and I love it. It's a little awkward at first to admit you want one of these, but once you understand how it like helps you go to the bathroom and makes things easier, you're probably gonna love it like I do. This one's kind of cool. It will fold and compact if you want to store it or travel with it. But the way it's designed here, the oval shape on the bottom here, this will slide right into your toilet. Now I'm going to give you a live demonstration of how this works. Just kidding. Don't worry, I'm not going to do that. But I'm just kind of sitting down right now to show you how to use this thing. But when you're using the toilet, you kind of just put your feet up right here and hopefully your dog doesn't come in the bathroom. All right, so your feet kind of come up right here and this positioning here, if you look on the Amazon product page, it will like show you the scientific reasoning for that all. This setup while you're using the bathroom just makes things work easier. And then when you're done, you just kind of slide it right under and you are good to go.